goes, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. Can't you see it's we who own the night?
Yes, where are you going?
To Legoland.
Wow! Kahapon sana kami pupunta sa Legoland, kaya lang snowstorm kahapon. So hindi na kami nakapunta. Ang lamig, grabe. Tingnan yung kotse, ayan o, balot na balot. Kaya nakatakip pati bibig ko. Yan! Minus 20 ang lamig. Pero may araw naman, kaya lang nakakapanginig ng lamig. Kish, are you okay?
Yeah.
Hindi ka giniginaw ka? No? Okay ka lang? Okay.
I'm so warm.
Ha?
I'm so warm because I have everything in my body.
Oh, very good ah. Kaya malabo itong bintana kasi may yellow. So, dito na lang sa unahan. May yellow din. Ayan, ang kapal dito ngayon. Oh. So, balikan na lang namin kayo pag nasa Legoland na kami. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa parking. Ngayon yung Legoland. Yan. Nasa loob pala siya ng mall. Oh, tabi pa. Pero papasok tayo sa loob ng mall. Ayan. Oh, napakatalas ng lamig, no? Oh, yan. Lakad-lakad na kami papuntang Legoland. Ayan, Keisha, yun oh. So, nandito na po kami. Let's go. And this is me. Yan, may ID. Oh. $60 to guys. Ayan, 60. Tapos kung pupunta kayo dito, yung hindi annual pass, $24. Yan na, okay na tayo?
Tickets here.
Wow!
So we've got our friend Ernesto, Rosemary,
Yeah?
and Bob. Bob,
Are you Bob?
otherwise known as Keisha. Take those back, keep those safe, okay?
Okay,
Next,
thank
start off with the green
you.
screen. So right this way to smile. Alright, big smile. Looking up here at the camera, okay? Big smile in 3, 2, 1. That's our first one. Number 2 is big thumbs up. Big thumbs up, okay? That's easy. Number 3 is rating level. Very nice. Now, big annual pass holders, when you guys do see photos from the right.
Wow! Ooh, wow! Kingdom Quest. Yan, sasakay kami ng rides ni Kish. Yay!
Sige.
Ano ba babarilin?
Baka yung mga pula.
Ay, ilaw, Kish. Yan, baril mo. Baril mo, ilaw. Yan, babarilin natin ilaw. Yun.
Video game. Oh, ayun oh.
Did you see the light? This light? Yan.
Ayan,
the
yan,
light.
yan.
Where?
Baril mo, yun.
Ayan, yung tao, yun.
Wow.
Ah, galing na. Galing din yun na. Ayun na. Yung gagamba. Yung gagamba.
Spider.
Ayun na, ayun na.
You can kill it.
Ayun, gagamba. Ayun na. Kita mo. Ayun. Bakit mo magulit? Ayan, yung tao.
Wow.
Iba naman tayo.
Not scary, no?
Not scary na.
It's a video game,
Sa
right?
video game, right? Baril-baril. Okay, siya, may photo tayo. Yan ang photo namin, no? This is me, this is Keisha, and this is Daddy. My score is 7,630.
Did you have fun, sweetie? Yeah?
Ah, si Kish, 1,850. Yan, dyan tayo sa Miniland. Yan yung Miniland. Wow, ganda naman dito. Toronto yan. Ayun na, no? Ayan. Ganda. Papagalawin? Ay, pindot mo, Billy. Pindot mo.
Huwag mo, para gumalaw.
You press mo, Billy. Okay.
Press. Which one
Asan?
is it? Ayun yung truck.
Oh, yung truck. Ay, yung airplane, no? Pati yung truck, nagalaw. Wow! Oh, fireworks! Wow! Oh, di ba may artificial fireworks? Very cute. Ano tayo? Ibigay na natin.
Ayan oh. 5 minutes na lang. Cinema.
Ayan o, 4D na Legoland movie. Let's go!
And if you do have to exit the cinema for any reason, please make your way down the steps and through the doors right behind me. As your exit will be dim and the floor will be wet. And now put your 3D glasses on, sit back, relax, and enjoy Ninjago.
Some ninja skills? Aha! Now that's what I'm talking
Galing
about.
wala makita.
Wala.
Dahil sa inyo.
We got wet. It's not for closing.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ang ganda.
Tanda na.
Gusto mo ulit? Gusto mo ulit mamaya?
Gusto mo later ulit. Ibang movie naman.
Ibang movie naman, no? Okay na. Pambata siya. Nahilo ko eh, ikaw.
Nakakahilo yung yung mga 4D.
Oo nga eh. Alakad! Go, 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 go! Flying! Hi!
About to start.
Did you make that one? Gonna get to teach these classes for you guys. Today we are building something really cool. Does anybody know what we're making?
Ibalik mo.
A dragon, but not just any dragon. In honor of our cold day today.
Oh,
building an ice
dragon!
Okay, so if you guys are ready to go, give me a thumbs up. If you're not ready, don't give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
You're all ready. Good stuff. All right, first piece you guys are gonna find is a 2x2 blue plate. 2x2 blue plate. I'm keeping it on. The two blue plates or the two blue studs that are left over are going to go underneath the navy blue stud. So it's going to look like that. Okay? I'll show you again. Here's the two blue studs on this foot. We're going to put it right underneath the navy blue part that's sticking out.
Yeah, another one too.
Pwede mo na ilagay.
Okay?
Yan, like that.
How's everybody doing? That was a little quite complicated, but
Wow!
how are we doing? You good?
Ikat mo ulo.
Anybody else? Okay, I'll come around the room really quick and do the game. Tail bends, it goes up and down.
What is this?
It's a tail. Oh, this
Okay.
Isa, yung gano'n yun.
And once you put the tail in, you build your very own ice dragon.
Yay! Galing! Yan ang nagawa ni Kish. Oh.
They look awesome.
Dragon! Are you happy?
We built an ice dragon.
Dragon! Okay, let's go!
Merlin's apprentice. Hi, Gish!
Welcome to Merlin's Apprentice. Please remain seated for the
Gish, Gish!
And remember, the faster you pedal, the higher you fly. Welcome back, riders. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Please remain seated. I'll be by Charlie to help you out.
Looks like Canada's Wonderland now. Smile! Ito mga to, Lego din to, oh. Mga bricks din siya eh, oh. Wow! Ang galing, no? Lego din siya. Ibig sabihin pala yung lahat ng mga design dito, Lego lang din, no? Ano, kain muna tayo. May mga cafe din dito, ayan, no? Pwede kang bumili dyan. pwedeng bumili doon ng food. Ano? May cafe dito guys, pero hindi na kami bibili kasi nagbaon kami.
It's different.
Pero ang baon namin kay ano lang, kay Kish lang. Hindi na kami kakain dito kasi kumain na kami sa bahay kanina. So yung baon ni Kish, pinakain ko na rin siya ng kanin kanina bago kami umalis. So eto yung baon niya. Ritz. Wow, talagang sinabi pa yun. Eto, cheese whiz to na may mga, ano tawag dito, yung tinapay na mahaba.
Sticks.
O mga sticks. So dalawa siya. Tapos ito, goldfish. Ano din to? Butter. Ano?
Cheddar.
Tinapay. O, cheddar pala. Yan. Cheddar na tinapay din yan sa loob. Tapos meron kaming french fries at sausage. Yan ang kay Kish lahat.
No, hot dog.
Hotdog. Sausage din yun.
It's the same.
Yan. Tapos kami, ang baon lang namin ni Jay ay tubig, electrolyte powder. Kasi kumain din kami sa bahay. Dito guys, pwede ka magdala ng food. Pero yung food na ano lang ha, light lang. Ganito naman. Diba? No? Pwede.
Yung
Nung dati, nung last na nag-Canada Wonderland kami, bawal magdala ng food. Pero dito pwede.
Pero actually, no. Ito, connected sa mall. So, kung gusto mo kumain.
Oo, hindi namin alam na connected to sa mall. Pero kung halimbawa, gusto mo talagang kumain, yung mga heavy meal, pwede kang lumabas kasi mall to mall, no? Nasa tabi ng mall. Entrance fee dito. Tama ba?
24.
O, 24. Pero kapag ka nagpabook ka online, 15 lang. Pero yun nga lang, pag nagpabook ka online, dapat gagamitin mo doon sa date na kung saan ka nagpaano, kung kailan ka nagpa-book.
Kailangan exact date yung lalagay mo
Ay,
doon.
ako pa naman kasi, yung parang masiglahan lang. Kung kailan ko lang gusto pumunta. Kung kailan ko lang gusto pumunta, mahal yun, 24. Plus tax pa yun. Kung may annual pass kami, pwedeng paglaruin lang namin si Kish dito. Ganun lang. Pag wala magawa, punta ka lang dito. Tapos maglaro lang siya na maglaro dito, di ba? Indoor naman siya.
Parang yung Canada Wonderland.
30 to 45.
Parang here.
Oh.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Try another one.
One more.
Yeah. Oh, I think this one is nice.
Cute.
Tapos,
Okay, ito.
ayan, no?
Ganda ng
pictures, no? Kasi, kaya ako binili to. Gusto ko magkaroon ng remembrance ng picture kasi anniversary namin! Celebration ng aming anniversary! Kaya, binili namin yung picture. Nandito ulit kami sa cinema, pangalawang punta na namin. Kasi sa isang araw, iba-iba, apat na
movie.
Apat na movie ka lang. Thank you! Touch mo, bili! Touch mo!
Time to get creative.
Ay, ano? Takot ka?
Peg, hit me with some biology.
Gusto mo yan na. Natakot ka?
Why?
Natakot
Because there's
ka?
a monster?
A little bit. Uwi na kami.
Balik na lang kami.
Balik na lang ulit kami. Parang mga halos nakailang oras na tayo dito. No? 4 hours to 5 hours kami dito sa loob. Wow, yan pala may mga store pa eh. Oh. Store, ito na lang. Kano yung mga watch nila? 30? Okay ba? Ito may Disney din na. Ang cute. Disney.
Princess din.
Yeah, princess toys. So may kaduktong sa mall. Nandito na kami sa mall. Yan.
Ito yung Bone Mills.
Bone Mills to?
Ah.
Oh. Ayan, ito siya. Oh. Yo. Thank you for watching. Bye.